Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc0020036 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and then select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script here. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this list here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLL files. It will reset WinSock and then finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.